Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make some nice cuts in, well, anything. And for example, I made this thing earlier and now I'm going to show you how to do that. First, of course, we will start with a new document, as of course you will probably doing as well. And our first order of business is to delete the default cube because that thing is evil. And of course, while we don't have anything in here, we are going to add a wonderful cube. Perfect. Now that is out of the way. So the thing is, how it works is that we are going to use a different object. It doesn't matter what kind of object it is. It doesn't matter if it's a cube or a torus or a circle, whatever it is. We're going to use that to kind of stands out the stuff that we want to delete from our object. So let's add a wonderful thing. In this case, let's go for a UV sphere. There we go, let's make this one smooth so it looks better. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this object and move it to the place where we want to, well, delete the part from our object. In this case, let's go and just go into this corner here. There we go. So now what we're going to do is very important. We're going to select our initial object. We go into the modifier and then we're going to add a modifier. In this case, we're going to add a boolean. There we go. This one is essentially doing the stuff that we want. In this case, it is asking us which object should be taken. In this case, we want our wonderful sphere. And as you can see, something changed in the outline here. If I now remove this sphere from the vision, you can see now I have a nice, wonderful cut here. This is the outline from our sphere. If I move this one, of course, this thing will change and you can see we now have a little edge in here. And well, that is of course how it works. You can of course change the style on how it's used. For example, intersect is the opposite. We only have that left. Union is, for example, that we merge them together. And yeah, and well, that's kind of it. Of course, in the end, if you want to, well, apply it, then apply. Then you can of course delete the sphere, and now we have a nice hole. As you said earlier, you can do this with everything you want. And yeah, I hope you like this one, and I see you hopefully next time. Bye.